I mean, that's a good question. Why do people achieve and achieve and achieve? I mean, we've got such a, especially in the Western culture, especially with the upcoming generation, we've got such a high, kind of demand for overachievers. And, if you ask me, I think it's a symptom to not feeling good enough. I feel that if you really look underneath what's behind that, is a deep, deep feeling of I'm not enough. I have to do more, be more, get more. And often it comes from a place that it could just be something as simple in your early childhood where someone said, you're stupid, or someone saying to you, you're never going to amount to anything. Or, your mother has survival issues and you feel like, oh gosh, I have to take care of my family, or saying, because we're not enough, or the shame of that. And it's amazing how we will set up our lives around that feeling not good enough, and everything we do to not feel it. So we strive more to be more and to be the best and to get the highest position and get the most power and the most money. And of course, it doesn't fill that empty feeling inside of I'm not good enough. And it just takes one crisis, one breakdown, one burnout, and then we realize, that place, that pain body, we start to see it, we go, oh my God, there it is. And it doesn't matter, you can have all the things in the world, but it's not going to fill that place, And this is where I for me, where it gets really interesting, because, when you start to do work on your stuff, when you start to be willing to meet that place of not feeling good enough, then you can transform it. Not through having all the money and the power and the position in the world. You know it because you see people up there and they have depression. They have anxiety. They have suicide. You can have it all. But if you don't have this place, this deep feeling of I am enough as I am, take away the identity, take away what you do for a living, am I good enough then? So, this is why we do this kind of work. And for me, it's where the journey begins.